Hello, students. A very fresh and beautiful morning to all of you. I hope you all are in good health and taking great care of yourself. Welcome back to our English grammar class. As you know, students, that we have started chapter number 9, Perfect Tenses, from your grammar book, that is Adventures with Grammar and Composition. Page number 72, right? And we have already done present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. We have done present perfect. When we use it, right? When we talk about the things that have just completed, when we are talking about such actions, we refer to present perfect tense, right? And we use has or have plus verb past participle for present perfect tense. So please do not forget that has or have plus verb past participle. And we also studied present perfect continuous tense. When do we use it? We use it to talk about the actions that started in past but continued to the point of speaking. That means कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हम उस एक्शन की बात करते हैं विच स्टार्टेड ऑलरेडी इन द पास्ट में स्टार्ट हो गई थी एंड व्हेन वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट इट at that moment also that action is continued. Okay, so that is called present perfect continuous tense, and we usually specify the time period too with the help of words like since and for. And we have also seen the formation of it. We have to use has or have according to the subject plus been plus verb ing because it is continuous, and has been we use it because it's perfect tense, right? So instead of using verb past participle, we use been plus verb ing, okay, to represent the continuous tense. So today, students, we would be moving ahead with our next topic, that is past perfect tense. So let's see past perfect tense, students. What is past perfect and when do we use it? We use past perfect to talk about the action that was completed before a given moment in the past. For example, GT had already eaten the chocolate before Post found out, right? So here, students, if you notice, we are having two actions, right? First one is eating of the chocolate and second one is finding it out, right? So there are two actions going on in the past and one action already completed, दूसरी action होने से पहले, right? So the first action which completed, the action number 1, has to be written in perfect tense. और जो हमारा दूसरा होगा वो हम लिखेंगे past tense में. So remember, when we are talking about past perfect tense, there are two actions going on. The first one is done बिफोर द सेकेंड वन हैपेंड, ठीक है? वो दूसरी वाली एक्शन भी पास्ट में ही होके ख़त्म हो गई, ठीक है? लेकिन वो दूसरी एक्शन हुई उससे पहले पहली वाली एक्शन हो गई थी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, okay, so students, here you can see the sentence, the train had already left before we arrived. So here, students, if you notice, we have two actions going on, right? The first one happened was the train had left, train चली गई थी, and the second action that happened is we arrived, वो भी हो चुकी है. लेकिन ये जो एक्शन है उससे पहले पहली वाली एक्शन हो गई थी, so that would be in perfect tense, and the second would be having the verb in the past tense, and left is the past participle. So we would see that how to form past perfect, but yes, you need to remember, when we are talking about past perfect, the first action completed before the second one happened. Okay, so you need to remember that. See, over here they have given an image. If you see, past action is eating of the chocolate, right? The first action. उसके बाद उसका रैपर मिला पोस्ट को, सो ही फाउंड आउट, है ना? और ये हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं उसकी, मतलब दोनों एक्शन हो चुकी है पास्ट में, लेकिन पहले ये वाली हुई और उसके बाद ये वाली. ओके, So note that the use of past perfect implies that one action, that is past action 1, took place before the other. In this case, GT finished eating the chocolate first and Post found out only after that, right? So पहली खत्म हुई, उसके बाद ही Post को पता चला. We form a sentence in this tense by using had plus past participle. So here there is no such thing कि has कब use करना है, have कब use करना है, जैसे हम present perfect में use करते हैं. यहाँ पे हम had use करते हैं and that is used with all kind of person and all kind of number. मतलब singular या plural, whether it is first, second or third person, and whether it is singular or plural, we have to use had and the past participle of the verb. Just like we use it in present perfect, in the same way we are going to use for past perfect tense also. The only thing that would be changing is had. And remember that the second action which you would be writing after that or before that, wherever you place it, that has to be in the past tense. As Dev stood in front of his house, he realized that he had lost his keys. So here if you notice, as Dev stood in front of his house, he realized that he had lost his keys. उसने चाबी पहले खो दी थी, उसके बाद उसने realize किया when he was standing outside his house, right? So this action which took place first, right, that is in perfect tense, present perfect tense. और ये बाकी की जो दो एक्शन है वो है हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट में लिखेंगे, ठीक है. लेट्स सी सेकेंड वन. एवरीवन हैड लेफ्ट द पार्टी बाय द टाइम वी रीच्ड द venue. So here also students, this action has happened first. Everyone had left the party and then we reached the venue. Next one. Kurt had finished his concert by 11 p.m. So by the time it was 11, Kurt had already finished his concert. Okay. And when we are forming negative sentence, it is as simple as present perfect. We just have to add not along with it. For example, Sunny had not been to the city before. Had not, or you can write hadn't. Sorry. You can write had not or hadn't. In the same way, he had not eaten pizza before he came to the city. So here also you can see they have used hadn't, right, or had not. And when we are forming interrogative sentence, if it is WH question, we begin the sentence with the question word, then add had followed by the subject and then the past participle form of the verb. Where had you been all this time? Why had the show been cancelled? And when had they visited the school? Students, if you see the first one, where had you been all this time? Here we have placed WH question first, word first, then had, then subject and been. Here been is the verb, okay? Make sure ये जो be होता है उसका past participle है been, ठीक है? Be, was and been या फिर gone. तो यहाँ पे been है जो हमारा past participle है. वैसे ही सेकेंड वाले में है why had the show been cancelled. So here also students, the show is the subject and been is again the verb, okay. Why had they visited the school last? So visited is the verb, they is the subject and the same formation. And if it is yes or no question, we begin the sentence with had and follow it with the subject and past participle, just like we did it in the present perfect tense. Same way we have to use here also. वहाँ पे हम has have यूज़ करते थे, यहाँ पे हम had यूज़ करेंगे, ठीक है. और अगर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन बनाना, नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन बनाना है, देन यू कैन यूज़ hadn't या फिर had, उसके बाद आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कैन राइट योर नॉट, ठीक है. Had you asked your mother before enrolling for summer camp? Or had Maria had her lunch before she participated in the race? Now students, if you see this sentence, दिस हैड इज यूज्ड फॉर रिप्रेजेंटिंग पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। और ये जो दूसरा है हैड मतलब किया उसने, ठीक है, डिड मारिया हैड हर लंच, दैट मीन डिड शी एट, राइट। तो ये जो दूसरा हैड है वो हमारा वर्ब है। ओके, रिमेंबर दैट। Okay, let's see the exercise over here. Choose the correct form to fill in the blanks. We immediately dash Abhishek even though he dash his hair long. So students, you need to understand one simple thing over here कि यहाँ पे कौन सी वाली एक्शन पहले हुई है, ठीक है। जो एक्शन पहले होती है उसके लिए हम परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे, और जो बाद में हुई है वो उसके लिए हमें क्या यूज़ करना होगा, हमको पास्ट टेंस यूज़ करना होगा, राइट। सो हियर वी इमीडिएटली recognized Abhishek even though he had grown his hair long. So उसके जो बाल लंबे थे, that action happened first, और उसके बाद recognize किया हमने, right. So this would be past tense, simple past, और ये जो है वो हमारा है past perfect tense, ठीक है। Let's see the second one. No one dash how the cat dash inside the cupboard. So students, what do you think what happened first? The cat got inside the cupboard, right? So we would be using past perfect for that. And the first action written over here is the second one. It happened afterwards, right? So we are going to write, no one understood how the cat had got inside the cupboard. The next one, Pooja dash her foot in the last game. So the coach dash to rest her for the next match. So here student, first action is this one. Pooja had hurt her foot in the last game. So the coach decided to rest her for the next match. Okay. Next one. They dash at the station at 3, but the train dashed by that time. So students, which action happened first? Arriving or leaving? Well, the train had already left, right? So they arrived at the station at 3, but the train had left by that time. Next one, Deepa dash to the play even though her sister dashed the tickets already. So what action happened first, students? Buying of tickets, right? And the second thing was not going to the play. So Deepa did not go to the play even though her sister had bought the tickets. Let's see the next one. When it dashed to rain, Krutika dashed that she dashed the main window. So when it began to rain, right, जब बारिश होना स्टार्ट हुआ तब कृतिका को क्या याद आया कि उसने विंडो बंद नहीं की थी। तो कौन सी एक्शन हुई थी बेटा पहले? द फर्स्ट एक्शन हैपेंड वाज क्लोजिंग ऑफ द विंडो, राइट। सो ये बाकी की जो दो एक्शन है हमने एग्जाम्पल देखा था उस हिसाब से है, राइट। दोनों एक्शन बाद में हुई है, जब बारिश स्टार्ट हुई तभी उसको याद आया, और क्या याद आया कि उसने विंडो बंद नहीं की थी। So when it began to rain, Kritika remembered that she had not closed the main window, right? And the last one, I dashed her in Italy last year. Where dash she dash before that? So here students, if you notice, जो पहला सेंटेंस है I dash her in the last year, ये आपको स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है कि ये एक्शन पास्ट में हुई थी और ख़त्म हो गई, राइट। सो ये हम क्या कहेंगे, इसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट आई met her in the Italy last year. And the second thing is perfect tense over here. So we are going to write where had she been before that. Okay. So last year तो वो इटली में थी, लेकिन उससे पहले वो कहाँ थी वो हम पूछ रहे हैं, है ना। तो उससे पहले मतलब वो एक्शन पहले हो गई थी, So we are going to write perfect tense for that. So where had she been before that? Okay. I hope you're clear with past perfect tense. So now we are going to move ahead with past perfect continuous tense. So let's see, when do we use past perfect tense? Past perfect continuous tense. We use past perfect continuous tense to talk about a continuous action in the past that is still going on or has just completed at a given past moment. Okay. Now, as it is past perfect continuous, here also we would be talking about two actions. Okay. लेकिन यहाँ पे you need to remember that we are going to talk about a continuous action in the past that is still going on or has just completed. मतलब सबसे पहले वाली एक्शन जो है वो शायद कंटिन्यू हो रही है या फिर उसी वक्त ख़त्म हुई जब हम दूसरी मूवमेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, राइट, एट द गिवन पास्ट मोमेंट. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट टू. पहले वाले में क्या हुआ था जब हम पास्ट परफेक्ट पढ़ रहे थे, देर वर टू एक्शन बट फर्स्ट वन ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड, राइट, जब दूसरी हुई तब. लेकिन कंटिन्यूअस के अंदर पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में when we are talking about an action which was continuing when another happened, or it might have just completed while we are talking about the second action that completed in the past. Okay, let's see the example, it would be more clear to you. GT had been singing for 2 hours when Post unplugged her guitar. सो GT हैड बीन सिंगिंग फॉर 2 आवर्स, मतलब ये एक्शन 2 घंटे से हो रही थी, राइट. इट हैड बीन कंटिन्यूइंग बाय टिल 2 आवर्स. एंड व्हेन डिड इट स्टॉप? व्हेन पोस्ट अनप्लग्ड हर गिटार. तो कंटिन्यू हो रहा था जब तक दूसरी एक्शन नहीं हुई. जैसे ही दूसरी एक्शन हुई उसी वक्त वो पहली एक्शन ख़त्म हो गई, ठीक है. लेकिन वो अनप्लग किया उससे पहले तक वो चल रही थी, राइट. एज यू कैन सी द इमेज ओवर हियर, the past action began this time. ये action 1 है, you can see this action began, right, 1 घंटे पहले, it began 2 hours before. मतलब अभी 2 घंटे से वो एक्शन क्या हो रही है, स्टार्ट हो रही है. और ये दूसरी एक्शन हुई पास्ट में, क्या थी वो, अनप्लगिंग ऑफ द गिटार. And when we are talking right now about the two actions, right, 1 and 2, but this continued until the second one happened, right. That's why we are going to use present perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's see the explanation. You need to note that the past perfect a past action 1, that is GT singing, began at a point in past and continued for 2 hours, and past action 2, that is unplugging of guitar, that happened after GT had been playing for 2 hours. Okay, so you need to remember कि कंटिन्यूअस अगर है, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस है, तो उसमें भी 2 ही एक्शन होगी. लेकिन जो पहली एक्शन है वो कंटिन्यू हो रही थी कितनी टाइम से, पास्ट में ही, और जब दूसरी हुई उसी वक्त वो ख़त्म हुई या फिर वो उस वक्त चल रही है. ओके, so you need to remember that. And how do we form past perfect continuous? It is same as present perfect continuous. Instead of has and have, we are going to use had, been, and verb ing. Okay, so this is your formation of past perfect continuous tense. Okay, had and been, it represents perfect tense, and verb ing is used for continuous. और had हम यूज करेंगे क्योंकि ये हमारा past tense है इसलिए, ठीक है. For example, the event had been going on for 3 days. Means when we are talking about it, right, वो 3 दिन से वो चल ही रहा था. The event had been going on for 3 days. Vibhuti had been feeling nervous all day, and the train had barely been in the motion for an hour when it stopped again, right. So as you can see, the train had barely been in motion for an hour when it stopped again. That means कि पहले भी ठीक से नहीं चल रही थी, राइट. इट वॉज नॉट इन मोशन फॉर एन आवर, रुक रुक के चल रही थी. और तब भी दूसरी चीज़ हुई, वो क्या है, इट स्टॉप्ड अगेन, मतलब वो वापस रुक गई. ठीक है, अच्छे से चल नहीं रही थी इतनी देर से, 1 घंटे से, और अब तो रुक ही गई थी. Now over here there is an exercise where we need to rewrite the sentences in past perfect continuous using the durations given in the bracket. See the first sentence. We slept, mother woke us up, and the duration given over here is 2 hours. So the action which we would be writing in past perfect continuous tense would be of sleeping, right? So we would write, we had been sleeping for 2 hours when mother woke us up. Okay, let's see the second one. Jonah looked for his notebook. He found it under his bed since 7 in the morning. That means the action which was going on in the past was looking for his book. So let's write that one in the past perfect continuous tense. Jonah had been looking for his notebook since 7 in the morning. I won't be able to write the full sentence, so you need to understand since 7 in the morning. उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे when he found it under his bed. Okay. Jonah had been looking for his notebook since 7 in the morning when he found it under his bed. Let's see the next one. The test match went on. It started raining. So the test match was going on for 3 days. So let's write the sentence. The test match had been going on for 3 days when it started to rain. It started raining नहीं लिखेंगे, हम क्या लिखेंगे, when it started to rain. So here our action test match was going on, that is our past perfect continuous tense. Okay, and the second action which happened at that time was it started to rain. Let's see the next one. Manasvi and her friends drove around. They ran out of petrol half a day. So they had been driving around since half a day. So we would be writing Manasvi and her friends had been driving around for half a day when they ran out of the petrol. Okay, I haven't started with Manasvi and her friends because I won't be able to write everything, that's why. Okay, and anyway I would be sending you the PDF for the answers, so don't worry. And the last one, the unrest went on in the capital. The movement began to spread to other parts of the country. So the unrest was going on for a year, right? That means nothing was working, या conditions ऐसी थी crisis जैसी कि मतलब कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं चल रहा था, और you can say it was there might be a war kind of situation, इसीलिए ऐसा लिखा गया है. मतलब कैपिटल में है, मतलब सिर्फ उसी के रिलेटेड होगा, वहीं पे कुछ चल रहा होगा, स्ट्राइक या फिर कुछ लड़ाई, ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है. सो द अनरेस्ट हैड बीन गोइंग on for a year when the movement began to spread to other parts of the country. Okay, so students, I hope that you are clear with this exercise. And yes, we are not going to do the future perfect tense for this syllabus, and also we are not going to do the difference between simple past and present perfect tenses. So those two topics are not included in your syllabus, so you can cut those 2 points, difference between simple past and present perfect and future perfect tense. Okay, so we are done with this chapter and we would be looking ahead to next chapter in next video. Thank you.